Hello students, welcome to Navankur Digi Lessons. Today we are going to study lesson 5, 10 natural laws of success. पहले के वीडियो में मैंने आपको पूरा लेसन समझाया था। इस वीडियो में उसके कुछ मेन पॉइंट्स एवं क्वेश्चन आंसर्स बतलाऊंगा। मेन पॉइंट्स इस प्रकार हैं। नेचुरल लॉज आर फंडामेंटल पैटर्न्स ऑफ नेचर एंड लाइफ। दे डिस्क्राइब थिंग्स एज दे रियली आर and not as per our wishes. These laws govern our life. Obeying them can help us gain success. The natural laws are as follows. Number 1, control the events and you will control the time and you will control your life. Number 2, identify your governing values and set priorities. Number 3, when you translate your governing values into activities, you will experience inner peace. Number 4, you must leave your comfort zone, physical or mental, emotional, social or psychological. It will require effort and commitment. Number 5, do daily planning, clearly define tasks with deadlines. Focus on more important tasks. Number 6, your behavior reflects what you really believe. You should take a careful look at your conflicting beliefs. Number 7, if the results of your behavior fulfill your basic needs, then your belief is correct. Number 8, negative behavior are the result of incorrect belief. Negative behavior will defeat your attempt to take control of your life. So correct the incorrect beliefs if they are. Number 9, your self-esteem must ultimately come from within. So live in accordance with your own values. Number 10, give more and you will have more. Share your access with others. Now we will see question answers. Question number 1, when do we experience inner peace? When our daily activities reflect our governing values, we experience inner peace. Question number 2, what are comfort zones? A comfort zone is a situation where we feel ourselves comfortable. Comfort zones may be of two kinds, external, internal. एक्सटर्नल में क्या है, कौन से हैं? फिजिकल। और इंटरनल में मेंटल, इमोशनल, सोशल, साइकोलॉजिकल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, How can we free up time? If we can control the events in our lives, we can free up time. What reflects our true belief? Our behavior reflects our true belief. Question number 5. What do incorrect beliefs lead to? Incorrect beliefs lead to the derailment of our behavior. It masks our success. Question number 6. Who is the best judge of self-worth? A man himself is the best judge of self-worth. Self-esteem must come from within. Question number 7. What are natural laws? How do they affect our lives? Natural laws like gravity are fundamental pattern of nature and life. They describe things as they are. These laws govern our lives. They help us gain control our lives, improve our relationship, increase our personal productivity, and experience inner peace. Question number 8. Distinguish between time management and event control. Event control leads to time management. In time management, we manage time, while in event control, we control the events. Event control is more important. Question number 9. What are governing values? How can we identify our governing values? Governing values are the foundation of personal success and fulfillment. They are our highest priorities. We can identify them when they reflect in our daily activities and we feel inner peace. Question number 10. Why should we leave our comfort zone and how? We should leave our comfort zones to reach any significant goal. We can leave them by effort and commitment. Question number 11. How can correcting belief solve problem? Sometimes other incorrect beliefs override or negate the correct belief. If we can remove these incorrect beliefs, then our behavior or activities will reflect the correct belief and we can solve problems. Question number 12. What happens when we meet needs with incorrect belief? Incorrect beliefs override or negate the correct belief and we fail to achieve the goal. Question number 13. How can we have more by giving more? If we share our access of anything, wealth, talent, knowledge, ability, or experience with others, especially those who are hardworking and faithful, we will get more. Thank you, students.